Good morning, friends. Happy Wednesday to all of you. I have some breaking news to share with you, all in this video. Senator Joe Manchin is warning Americans about the rising inflation as Democrats try to pass new stimulus relief bills through Congress. President Biden is making big changes to Social Security benefits. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Good morning, everyone. It has been a year of unprecedented crises because of Joe Biden and House Democrats' failed leadership. The American people do not trust Joe Biden, and time after time, with every issue he touches, he makes the problems facing American families worse, exacerbating all of these crises that our constituents are forced to bear. And his sinking poll numbers from the start of this year to today are proof of that. Due to the Democrats' reckless tax and spend policies and their unconstitutional mandates, hardworking families are struggling under the skyrocketing cost of groceries and basic goods due to inflation and the empty shelves in local stores across America. Port congestion is getting worse, which means not only gifts for family and friends are sitting on boats, but the backlog is hurting our small businesses that are trying to get their products to market during the busiest season of the year. We call this Joe Biden's holidays. I've seen firsthand how this is impacting families in my district and small businesses in the North Country. Another crisis that Democrats continue to ignore is the crisis at our southern border. Since Joe Biden became president, we've had over 1.6 million encounters at the southern border. And with this surge at our border, there's an unthinkable amount of fentanyl and fentanyl-related substances pouring into communities, enough to kill every American 7 times over. Think about that. Enough fentanyl to kill every American 7 times over. Here to talk about what Republicans are doing, I'm going to turn it over to my colleagues Bob Latta and Morgan Griffith. You'll first hear from Bob Latta from Ohio. Bob?
Thank you. Thanks, Elise, and thank you all very much. You know, the Centers for Disease Control reported that in the United States in a 12-month period ending in April 2021.
It has been 39 years since Congress has taken action to change Social Security. Some House Democrats are hoping to change that with a bill to improve benefits that have been revamped and reintroduced in Congress. So this past Tuesday, a House Ways and Means Social Security Subcommittee held a hearing to consider a proposal titled Social Security 2100 Sacred Trust. According to Democratic Representative John Larson, the chair of the Social Security Subcommittee, the hearing marks the 8th Capitol Hill session on the issue since 2019, who recently introduced the legislation with Democratic Senator Richard Blumenthal. This bill is the latest version of the Social Security 2100 Act, which Larson introduced in previous sessions of Congress. The bill's new name is a nod to President Biden, who referred to Social Security as a sacred trust during his presidential campaign. John Larson said of Biden's staff, "I am very confident that they understand and support what we are doing." As Washington lawmakers push to accomplish a host of items on their agenda before the end of this year, John Larson hopes that the bill will have momentum in 2022. The bill currently has 195 co-sponsors, all of whom are Democrats. To address that shortfall, lawmakers could implement benefit cuts, tax increases, or a combination of both. The new Social Security 2100 Act includes a host of provisions aimed at increasing benefits, while also adding more revenue through additional taxes on the wealthy. The bill would not include ideas like raising the retirement age, which John Larson and other advocates oppose. It would provide a benefit increase for new and current beneficiaries amounting to about 2% of the average benefit. So friends, do you agree with me that Social Security beneficiaries should receive a monthly boost to their benefits? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Democratic Senator Joe Manchin said that he is concerned about inflation and warned his party against rushing President Biden's climate and social spending bill. During a Wall Street Journal CEO Council Summit, Manchin indicated that he remains undecided on the spending bill and raised a red flag over the risk of inflation. While speaking about inflation, Senator Manchin stated that the unknown we are facing today is much greater than this aspiration bill. Joe Manchin's comments come as Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer is keeping pressure on his own members to try to meet his deadline for passing the spending bill before Christmas. The administration has argued that the bill will help combat rising costs under inflation. Democrats are also still in negotiations with the parliamentarian who offers guidance on if the legislation complies with budget rules, as well as with each other. In addition to Joe Manchin, Democratic Senator Kyrsten Sinema has not stated if she would support the bill, and other Democrats have raised concerns about specific pieces of the bill, including the state and local tax deduction cap. Friends, the key word for this video is evergreen. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please do click and like my videos. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and please comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you so much, friends. Because Democrats are using budget reconciliation to try to pass a climate and social spending deal, they need total unity from all 50 members of their conference. They also need total unity and Vice President Harris to break a tie to bring the spending bill up for debate. The Senate has already cleared a temporary spending bill that would keep the lights on at federal agency through February 18, 2022, buying 11 more weeks to try to resolve partisan disputes over funding levels and policy riders that have stalled progress on fiscal 2022 appropriations. The House has also approved the 2022 annual defense bill, which authorizes programs and spending guidelines for the Pentagon and other national security programs. The bill had bipartisan support, garnering 364 votes. 51 Democrats and 19 Republicans voted against it. This year's National Defense Authorization Act authorizes a top-line funding of $768 billion for defense and national security, with $740 billion designated for the Department of Defense, which is $25 billion more for the Pentagon than what President Biden had requested. So friends, what are your thoughts on the cost of this new defense bill? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this Wednesday. I truly and greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. If you would like to enter this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos, comment below the keyword from each video, and make sure that you are also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed Wednesday.